Good morning, folks. I'm First Alert Meteorologist Keenan Smith on a Easter Saturday. We're going to look for lots of sunshine today. It'll feel like spring. Temperatures climbing into the mid-50s. Showers creep into the forecast, though, tonight, and it is winter again by Monday with temperatures in the upper 30s and spotty snow showers. Here's a look at the satellite and radar composite this morning, though. Quiet conditions for us all across Metro Detroit. Things will remain quiet through the afternoon hours with high temperatures pushing to 55 in Detroit and Roseville. Some communities, particularly south, maybe will nudge into the upper 50s. Monroe could make a run at 57, Ypsilanti at 56. As we take a look at conditions through the afternoon, things are nice and quiet, but you'll notice during the evening hours that clouds are approaching from the west, and ultimately those clouds will bring us rainfall late tonight and for tomorrow. So we get sunshine today, but Easter Sunday looks a lot wetter. And colder weather is on the move as well. You can see that cold air. This is now Sunday afternoon, and it's going to come sliding in here overnight Sunday into Monday, and that'll be the shot that knocks us back down into the upper 30s. It's gone by the midweek, and then we're milder once again late in the week, but another shot of colder air works its way through into Metro Detroit. High today, 56, mostly sunny, seasonably mild, 41 degrees tonight, but clouds build, rain develops late tonight and sticks around for tomorrow as well. Best chance at rainfall is during the first half of the day, but there will be periods of showers around even during the afternoon. High at 51 degrees, so we're talking rain showers, but snow showers for Monday. Tuesday, we're looking at high temperatures, again peaking just below 40 degrees, but you can see Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, temperatures are on the rise. Thanks for joining us here on WXYZ.com. Have a great day and happy Easter.